Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you all my tools which I'm using for sketching. So let's get started. So the first main thing for sketching is paper. So there are two types of paper. So first one is a soft ivory type paper. You can see the texture, it is pretty smooth. So it will give a good smooth blending effect. So it is of 210 GSM, so it's very thick paper. And the other type of paper is rough paper. So it is not smooth, its surface is rough. I don't know if you can see properly, but its surface is very rough compared to the smooth paper. So these are the two types of papers that I use for sketching, mainly this one. The next most important thing is pencils in sketching. So first I have been using Artline graphite pencils for my sketches. So they come 6 grades in this pack. So they start from HB to 10B. So these 6 pencils only I use as graphite pencils. So next is the charcoal pencils. So I use Camlin charcoal pencils, which comes of 3 ones: hard, medium and soft. So this is the hard one, this is the medium one, this is the soft one. The soft one is the most darkest of all 3. So these are the charcoal pencils which I use. So after charcoal pencils comes the mechanical pencils. So the first one here I am showing is a Sakura 0.3 mechanical pencil, 0.3 mm lead, and this is a 2B 0.3 lead. So this I use for darker little details, this pencil. A normal pencil of 0.5, this is the tip of that, and this is the pencil. You can get this in market, so it's just a normal pencil, and the tip is of HB grade. I have a darker 0.5 pencil which contains a tip of 2B, and also I have a 0.7 pencil which contains a tip of 2B. So these are all the mechanical pencils, 0.3, 2 0.5 and 1 0.7. So after the mechanical pencils we have is the color pencils. So the color pencils which I use are from Faber castell. So this is the pack of it. It's a Faber castell 18 bicolor pencil. So you will get like 2 colors on each pencil. So there are totally 18 colors, which is equal to 36 shades in total. So this is good for beginners who are learning how to use color pencils. So next is blending to create an even layer. So for that, what are the tools that I use are a brush. I have a brush. So it is a flat type at this end and a normal type at this end. So I use this for blending. And then I have is blending stumps. I have 6 blending stumps of different sizes for blending purpose only. And then I use buds, cotton buds, and I also use normal cotton for blending. So these are the 4 things which I use for blending. So after blending is erasing. So for erasing, first one that I use is a normal eraser from Sakura foam. So this is the normal eraser which I use for erasing large areas, and then for small areas I use a Tombow mono 0 eraser, which is the tip is of 2.5 mm rectangle shape. So this is the one which I use for detailed erasing. And the last one which I use as eraser is a kneadable eraser. So this eraser can do any shape, you can make it, it's just like clay. You can make any shape and you can just dab to erase the values. So these are the 3 erasers which I use for erasing. And for highlighting, like white areas, pure white areas, I use white gel pens. One is of Sakura, one is 0.3 mm, 0.4 mm and 0.5 mm. It is pure white, and this is of Uniball white pen. So these are the 2 pens which I use for white areas. And after finishing the sketch, I use the Camlin's fixative spray for protecting the sketch. So this is for charcoal and graphite pencils and pastels also. So this is the spray which I use for protecting my sketches. So yes guys, these are all the tools which I am using for my sketch, for making the sketches. So these are just few tools. There are still many tools which I have to buy and use, so we'll be getting them soon. And if you like the video, give it a like and check out my sketches in the previous videos. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.